Buenas tardes, habla el ingeniero José Diego Monroy. Estamos en la conferencia de Texas Floodplain Management Association. Vamos a platicar con Eco Services, una compañía de Houston, y vamos a presentar al ingeniero David. David, hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, guys. How are y'all?
Okay, thank you.
So my name's David Batts. I'm with a company Houston-based called Construction Eco Services. We're here at TFMA to show off a new product of ours. Our company does both products and services. You guys have probably seen us around town. We're a major stormwater pollution prevention company. We write SWQMP plans for engineers, do full turnkey service for general contractors, and we also bring in innovative new technologies into the marketplace. Today we're showing off one of our newest technologies, a product called Smart Pond. And what Smart Pond does is basically it creates a water quality device as well as a stormwater management device for us to meet both our water quality requirements as well as make our detention ponds more efficient. So basically the way this thing works is it's a rotary weir that's fully offline or fully disconnected from power. It's got a solar power panel that keeps a battery charge, that operates a motor. It's completely programmed biological system in the cloud that gives commands based on real-time data that's being driven by a transducer that's measuring water depth that's down here on the bottom of the unit. So there's a couple pre-programmed controls. Basically, we can make this thing mimic pre-development hydrology by rotating over during periods of time. But the other thing we can do is we can manage it in real time as well. So let's imagine Hurricane Harvey's coming. Flood control, Harris County realizes this big storm has the potential of hitting us and doing some devastating damage. Well, let's pretend like we've retrofitted the entire watershed with these units on existing detention ponds. With a simple touch of a button, Harris County can basically sign into the unit, go to the individual unit, and for the gate level, so we can send this thing a new command. So we're going to go from 30 inches down to 15 inches. We're going to do non-stop. We're going to do it now, and we're going to send command. So what this unit is doing is it's sending us, the phone is sending a signal up to space, hitting a satellite, and then it's going to bounce that signal back to the unit. And within a minute or so, this unit will start to rotate to the set water level that we put it at. And so what that allows us to do is manage the pond depth. And you can kind of see over here, you can see a video of the unit actually working in a duck pond. And you can see it's just kind of following the water surface elevation and slowly decanting and taking the cleanest water off of the unit as it dewaters the duck pond. The other thing that's kind of interesting about this thing is you can do site inspections from your desk. So it's got a camera on it that takes a picture of it twice a day. Or you can actually send a command that says update photo, and you can see this is actually us at the trade show earlier in the day, and it says update photo, and it allows us to really see what's going on with the individual unit. And we can do all of this from our phone. We can do it all from our laptop computers. All right, eventually this thing's going to turn, I promise. Going to be extremely anticlimactic if it doesn't.
David, in the meantime, so you're trying to rotate your unit right here. Can you explain again a little more about Eco Services, the history, and the type of services you guys provide?
Yeah, sure. So we started 16 years ago as a SWQMP company, basically installing silt fence, writing the NOI, the NOT, the SWQMP document for general contractors. 13 years ago, I was hired to run our innovative technologies group that focuses on engineered specified products. So that encompasses stormwater quality treatment devices. It encompasses hydrodynamic separators, biofiltration systems, permeable pavements, a number of different products and services. And then we also have a maintenance group that does. We have a maintenance group that maintains detention ponds as well as all the different products that we represent. this thing isn't doing its thing. I'm gonna have to restart it. I think I had too many apps open. Let's see. I think too many people have messed with it and it doesn't know where it's at.
If you want, you just show us here on the screen.
Yeah, you can see it on the screen. So here you can see the water just rotating over this lip. So this is basically just a weir. The unit we have here has a trash guard on it, so it keeps the trash out. And you can see it starting to rotate over as it's trying to evacuate more water out of the system. So we can set this thing up to do an exact 48-hour drawdown on a detention pond. So unlike passive systems that you're basically limited by a restrictor, this can draw down any storm event in exactly 48 hours every single time. Even if it's a small storm, we can draw it down in 48 hours. Big storm, we can draw it down in 48 hours and give you a perfect hydrograph.
David, I know you for many years now. I want to thank you for your time and congratulations and continue growing with the eco services.
Sure, thanks man, appreciate it, Diego.